Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical hardtop gazebo, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Hardtop Gazebo, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best hardtop gazebo from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Erommy 10 into 12 feet Aluminum Frame Hardtop Gazebo. Transform your outdoor space with the Erommy 10 into 12 feet Aluminum Frame Hardtop Gazebo, a perfect blend of durability, style, and functionality. Designed with a galvanized steel roof, this modern gazebo offers superior protection against harsh weather, withstanding heavy snow and strong winds better than traditional fabric or polycarbonate tops. The ventilated double-top design ensures airflow while blocking 99% of harmful UV rays, creating a cool and comfortable retreat. Built with a rust-proof aluminum frame, it provides long-lasting stability on any surface. The zippered netting and curtains offer privacy and protection from insects, while the double-track system allows for easy adjustments. Plus, built-in hooks let you add lights or fans for an enhanced outdoor experience. Whether for backyard gatherings, poolside relaxation, or patio dining, this spacious 10 into 12 feet gazebo is the ultimate addition to your outdoor oasis. Order yours today for year-round comfort and elegance. Number 2. Yoleny 10 into 13 feet. Aluminum Frame Hardtop Gazebo. Upgrade your outdoor space with the Yoleny 10 into 13 feet Aluminum Frame Hardtop Gazebo, a perfect combination of elegance, durability, and comfort. Featuring a ventilated double-layer polycarbonate roof, this gazebo blocks UV 50+ rays while promoting airflow, making it an ideal retreat for sunbathing, BBQs, or relaxing with guests. The sturdy aluminum and alloy steel frame is designed to resist rust, corrosion, and scratches, ensuring long-lasting stability. With a spacious 130 square feet area, this gazebo comfortably accommodates 6 to 8 people, making it perfect for gatherings or even as a parking shed. The double-track system allows easy sliding of the removable mesh and privacy curtains, giving you full control over ventilation and security. Whether for your garden, patio, or hot tub area, this waterproof gazebo is the ultimate addition to your outdoor living. Order now and transform your backyard. Number 3. The Aoxun 10 into 12 feet. Aluminum Frame Hardtop Gazebo. Enhance your outdoor living with the Aoxun 10 into 12 feet Aluminum Frame Hardtop Gazebo, designed for both style and durability. Featuring a double-layer galvanized steel roof, this gazebo provides excellent heat insulation, ventilation, and rust resistance, ensuring a cool and airy space for relaxation. The sturdy black aluminum frame offers superior wind resistance up to 38 mph and year-round weather protection. Designed with zippered netting and curtains, it provides both privacy and ventilation, while the top hooks let you hang lights or fans for added ambiance. With a spacious 120 square feet area, this gazebo is perfect for outdoor dining, social gatherings, or even as a parking shed. The included ground stakes and expansion screws add extra stability. Assembly is easy with clear instructions. Recommended for 3 to 4 people in 2 to 4 hours. Transform your backyard with this versatile and elegant gazebo today. Number 4. Aecojoy 20 into 12 feet. Aluminum Frame Hardtop Gazebo. Upgrade your outdoor space with the Aecojoy 20 into 12 feet Aluminum Frame Hardtop Gazebo, a wall-mount lean-to pergola designed for durability and style. This spacious 240 square feet gazebo offers exceptional load-bearing capacity, withstanding 40 to 70 MAP winds and 2.4 inches of snow, making it perfect for year-round use. The flexible sun panels effectively disperse impact, reducing pressure on the roof during extreme weather. Built with a sturdy metal frame and UPF 50+ protection, this waterproof gazebo ensures a comfortable outdoor experience, shielding you from harmful UV rays and rainwater. Ideal for poolsides, patios, hot tubs, or outdoor dining areas, this pergola adds both elegance and functionality to your home. For optimal stability, secure it against a wall using the provided hardware. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, you can purchase with confidence. Order now and transform your backyard into a luxurious retreat. Number 5. Domi 14 into 24 feet Aluminum Frame Hardtop Gazebo. Create the ultimate outdoor oasis with the Domi 14 into 24 feet Aluminum Frame Hardtop Gazebo, a spacious and elegant addition to any backyard. Built with a galvanized steel roof and sturdy aluminum frame, this high-end gazebo offers exceptional stability, durability, and weather resistance, effortlessly withstanding heavy snow and strong winds. The ventilated double roof design enhances airflow while providing 99% UV protection, UPF 50+, keeping you cool and comfortable. Featuring a built-in drainage system, rainwater is efficiently directed away, ensuring a dry and enjoyable space even on rainy days. With removable curtains and netting, you get privacy, shade, and protection from insects, making it perfect for entertaining, dining, or relaxing. Whether for a garden, patio, or outdoor event, this luxurious 14 into 24 feet gazebo delivers both style and functionality. Order now and elevate your outdoor living with Domi Outdoor Living's premium craftsmanship. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.